Good morning, students. Today I am sending a explanation video of lesson number 8, A Honeybee Speaks. Now it's a monologue. Monologue means a long speech given by a person. In Marathi we can say Atmavritta means this honeybee is telling her day-to-day life through this lesson. Now let's start our lesson. What? Me a lazy bee? One day she heard something. Someone is saying a bee is very lazy. But she said, "Oh, am I a bee lazy bee? No." And you, the guys, you think is simply I am having fun all day long. Pura din, the whole day I am just doing fun. Oh no. The honeybee says, when she was fleeting, children, fleeting means flying from flower to flower. That time, actually, she was very hard at work. She was really very hard worker, and that's why she said, I am not a lazy bee. I am a busy bee. She says, I am not a lazy bee. I am a very busy bee. And now then she said, come on, I shall show you my house and tell you what a lot of work the bees do all their life. And now she is explaining the hard work which is done by her through this lesson. This is honeybee's house. It is called honeycomb. It is very big house and having thousands of rooms, and these rooms are called cells. And each room, children, each room has 6 equal sides. See here, 6 equal sides are having each room has having 6 equal sides. The honeybee says she takes a lot of care to build the honeycomb. Even they produce the building material by themselves, and that is called wax. The material which they need to build a house is called beeswax. When the bee was very young, she used to stay at home, and that time she used to look after the larva. Larva, you heard this word in your EVS textbook. And not only she look after the larva, but also she feed the babies and protect them also. And if anyone came near her comb, that time she was ready with her weapon, and her weapon is her sting. STING, sting means a sharp pointed organ. These are the strings. Sting means sharp pointed organ, and through this organ she bites us. And that's why she says, I am not a worker, I am a soldier. And so she also warns us, don't tease her honeycomb, don't disturb her honeycomb. Even the honeybee, she keeps the comb cool by fanning with her wings. Okay, now She kept the house in order, put away all the honey and food at the proper place brought by other bees. They keep all the uh, she keep all the honey. See here the honey and the food properly. Even they all work together without fighting, and that's one reason they are able to build such perfect and beautiful houses. They used to make their house bigger and bigger for their babies and for the food and honey which they gathered. When they become older, the bees fly flower to flower and gather nectar. Nectar means the sweet juice in flowers. And pollen. Pollen means the yellow powdery stuff you see on flowers. They visit hundreds of flowers and make several trips every day without wasting a single moment. They are just doing their work. They are gathering the pollen and nectar. Now the nectar from the flowers is very thin, and the bees turn it into sweet thick honey, which you like very much. This is the honey, and the bees turn the nectar into the sweet thick honey, and that's why the honey bee is called a busy bee, not a lazy bee. And the bee said, I have not a moment to lose. She is not having time to waste. She is just doing her work all the time. Now children, tell me, will you call the bee a busy bee or a lazy bee? I will call her definitely a busy bee. Thank you. Read the lesson and underline all the new words and find the answers of given questions.